If anyone touches you, he will die by my hands. That may sound intense, maybe even dramatic, but that's how deeply I feel about you. You are not just someone I love, you are my world, my everything, and there's nothing I would not do to protect you. The thought of someone else, even daring to hurt you, sends fire through my veins. But it's the rawest truth that bleeds from my soul every time I think of someone trying to harm you, take you away from peace, or cause even a ripple of pain in your world. You are not just someone I love. You are my home, my calm, my chaos, my everything in between. I have never been so fiercely protective of anything in my life, and this instinct in me, it's born from the overwhelming storm of love, the kind that makes a man a guardian before he's even asked to be. The thought of you crying, flinching, hurting because of another's hand lights a fire in me that words can barely contain. My heart is your fortress, my arms are your shields, and anyone who dares to break that peace sings a silent declaration of war with me. You see, love is not just roses and whispers. It's also battle cries and loyalty that runs deeper than blood. I would never raise my voice to hurt you, never lift a hand, expect to lift you higher. But if someone ever tried to dim your light, I swear on everything I breathe that I would become a storm that destroys everything in its path until you are safe again. It's not rage, it's not madness, it's devotion in its rawest, truest form, because you deserve safety, emotional, physical, spiritual. And if I can be the wall between you and the world, I'll stand tall even if I tumble underneath the weight. You are not just someone I want to love. You are someone I am built to protect. Someone who defines the meaning of precious to me. People talk about soulmates and fate and all those beautiful ideas. But what they often forget is the duty that comes with that kind of love. The moment I realized how deep I have fallen for you. I also realized that your pain would always be mine. Your fears would echo in my chest, and your enemies would never reach you without first passing through me. That is not obeisance, that is honor. That is my vow, silent but sacred. I would never wish violence or harm on anyone. But if a line is crossed, if hands that were never meant to touch you dare reach for you, they will meet mine. Not in warning, in consequence. This is not about control, it's not about ownership, it's about a lot that has transformed my soul into a temple with your name carved into every stone. And I will be the priest and the warrior both. So let it be known, if anyone touches you with cruelty, with disrespect, with intent to harm, I won't rest, I won't forgive. I will protect you in the most primal, honest way love can manifest, not with passive words, but with active loyalty. Because loving you means ensuring that the world never gets to harm what's most sacred to me, and that's you, always you, only you. So yes, if anyone touches you with bad intentions, they will answer to me. I won't let the word hurt what's mine. You are not just loved, you are fiercely, endlessly, and powerfully loved. Yours forever. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.